something strange in the neighborhood. Who are you gonna call? Ghostbusters! Hello my babies, you're here again with me, Bea B. Welcome back to my channel. Already a subscriber here. Hey, hey, hey. This is it. We got another bag. But if you are not, why? Go ahead and click that subscribe button and don't forget to hit that notification bell as well so you don't miss out on any more of my bag videos, because we have quite a few coming up because it is October and October is my birthday month, which tends to be the month that I spend the most. As you read from the title, yes, we are going to be unboxing or unbagging rather, because it's a bag, my first birthday gift to self, which is a Balenciaga CAGOLE XS, but I did not write over there the material, so there is still a bit of suspense, isn't there? It's like, what is this? What is this? Yeah, we're gonna start with the actual bag. As you can see, it says Madel Love Luxe. This is not sponsored. She didn't give me any special discounts or anything, but she did have the best price from all of my research. I don't know how or why, but it was like 30,000 pesos cheaper than the Philippines, so it was kind of a no-brainer from there. Madel is also the cutest because she calls people kikay, so hashtag certified kikay na po ako ngayon. She calls people kicks, so gusto ko siyang i-adopt. Kicks! Mga baby tayo dito. Gets nyo ba? Kasi baby. Alright, well, I'm sure you guys are over it, mga babies. So let's get open. And there are a lot of staplers because it was delivered to my condo. What's inside? What's inside? Inside, we have the paper bag. It is kind of wrinkled because I guess I don't know how they ship this. It's not folded in any weird ways, so that's fine with me. My mini city came in a paper bag as well, and a dust bag, which I bought like last year, I think. The link will be somewhere up here for the unboxing and the review as well. You can check that out if you are interested in this one, but it is because of this bag that I just had to get the CAGOLE. That said, it is over here. Oh, yeah. The question is, which CAGOLE did I get? Because this bag comes in so many colors. Really cute colors, mind you. Very candy, very neon, very beautiful. But you know me, it's gonna be black. Oh my goodness, here she is. So I guess from the delivery, they put the strap inside. So we're just gonna look at it strapless first. Like a good old strapless bra. Guys, I got the CAGOLE in the croc leather and the black hardware. So they call this like all noir. I don't really know how to pronounce it, but let's just say it's all black. Maybe it's noir. Gonna give you a little bit of a 360 because I always do that in my videos. And it's not focused. So since my mini city comes in this crinkled calfskin type of material, I almost got this CAGOLE in the same material just because I loved it so much. But I figured maybe I should do a different type of material, and there was a croc leather. But the problem with croc is that it is a little bit more expensive than the calfskin. For some reason though, for Madel, it's the same price whether it's that type of material or this, and so obviously I'm gonna go with this. Yeah, so the croc is so beautiful. Look at that texture. You got a lot more scaly patterns here, and then over here you've got bigger squares and rectangles going on. I love that the texture looks different in different parts of the bag. Let's check out the mirror. Look at that, so cute. It says made in Italy here. And obviously you've got your mirror with my very creepy eye looking at you. You have over here a little pouch. The mini city kind of has it here, and then that's your little pouch where you have your mirror. But they kind of divided it into two pieces for this one, which I really appreciated. I think it's so fun having so much details and things hanging from it. So if you want to put some little items here, you could, like maybe keys or an accessory or a hair clip or something. This would be a great place to put it. You don't have any more pockets on the sides. I think for the bigger sizes you do, but for the extra small you don't. Zipper also has that beautiful fringe, which is a detail that I love about my Balenciaga because it gives a little more edge to the bag, I feel, and I love that. The hardware, my gosh, I thought, you know, if it was all black or all noir, it would be kind of flimsy looking and maybe it will chip easily, but guys, I think it's pretty darn solid. I mean, obviously I haven't worn it yet. It looks like it's gonna last. So guys, let me know in the comment section if you have like a matte black type of hardware for your Balenciaga bags. How do they fare? I'm not really sure how they do. I just wanted something that looked totally different from my mini city, and so that's why I went with this. I also think the all black makes it look like, you know, I don't care, I'm just really cool. I feel like if I went for the silver hardware on this one, it does tend to look sort of like a toy. I mean, it's really cool, it looks super Y2K and fun, but I think this makes it look super classic and timeless. Alright, now that we discussed the basic look of our bag, let's open it up. That's the way, I like it. I do like it. Inside the bag, we also have the care cards and the tag of my bag. I'll attach the straps in just a bit. I just wanted to look at the inside. There's this like control number, I think is what it is. There are no side pockets of any sort. It is basically like a pouch. It has a little leather label inside with the silver Balenciaga. In the front part of the bag, there's another leather strip. What's written on it is made in Italy, and there are like numbers, so I'm guessing, you know, for authenticity. I'm gonna close this up again. Love this strap because there are so many holes, and you can choose whether you want this to be like a long crossbody or a shoulder bag. Let's take a closer look at the pad. It does look gorgeous. The croc is still there, and now we have these giant like stitches on the side, which is also in leather. I put it on the third. Let's go with number 3 because 3 is a lucky number. I feel saying that because I just turned 33. Oh, gorgeous! So what I like is that there are so many things hanging from it. So if you wear it like that, it's just like, oh, so cute. It is lightweight, and the shoulder pad is so comfy. It's not falling off. As you know, that was my problem with the mini city. Okay, let me just demo. With the mini city, when you put the shoulder pad here, it kind of just always falls off your shoulder. I think maybe it's because of the ridges of the CAGOLE. That's why it's holding on better. What do you guys think? Because it's not slipping off my shoulder. I'm gonna get some things to put inside just to see what fits. Hold on. So here's the bag. It's open now. I'm gonna put in my wallet. This is a pretty small wallet, but it is fat. Put it in. Still so much space. I'm gonna go ahead and put my usual like lippy inside, my Carmex, my Alcogel, and finally my Samsung Galaxy S22 Plus. Okay, it is kind of stuck. Now it has a bit of weight to it, but it doesn't look bad. Like that little puff right there, I think is bound to happen with my wallet, but I can move it up. There you go. And it doesn't look like it's gonna pop. It gets all my essentials, everything I could possibly need when I go out, and it is looking beautiful. Now that I know what fits inside, I'm pretty sure I'm gonna know how to style this bag because it basically looks like my mini city, but like the cooler younger sister or cousin, something like that. So this CAGOLE, I knew that I loved the style ever since it came out. You know, I've been watching it on YouTube, but it did take quite a while for it to get to the Philippines. Oh my gosh, when did I see this in store? Just a couple of weeks ago, like literally just a couple of weeks. And when I saw it in person, I was like, okay, game, this is the one. This is the one that will break my fast. This is the one that will make me buy a bag again. But the prices here are just so insane, and so I had to do a lot of research first before actually pulling the trigger. And now that I've purchased it, I am just over the moon because I'm so excited to wear this. it is so much prettier than I thought it would be. I guess now we've reached the point in my video where I'm supposed to kind of rate my purchases, so I'm gonna give this a 10 over 10 because it just exceeds expectations and I am loving it. Of course, it'll get a perfect score. I'm a bit biased with Balenciaga because they're always so edgy and out of the box, and of course we've got quality to talk about. Looking at it really close, I see no defects. It is in beautiful shape, it isn't heavy, and of course it will be super easy to match with outfits, and it is so fashion forward that you just can't help but elevate your look. I swear with this one. If I missed out on anything because I am quite sleepy right now, let me know in the comment section down below. If you have any questions or comments or whatnot, just go ahead, shoot. Anyway, that's all the time we have for today. I'll see you guys again next time. Peace and love. Bye!